Hello everyone. I am an international student in Australia. I asked one of my friends to recommend me a place for this. She recommended me Roman PTE Melbourne and I got it in the second one. It's all because of the hard work and the efforts by Roman PT. Roman, the tutor over here, was really helpful in everything. I was worried, like, because my friends used to tell me that it's really hard, we are trying it 10 times, 15 times. So I was a bit worried and, of course, scared as well. So I planned it a bit earlier. And when I came over here, Roman taught me a bit of tricks, kind of things that everyone should learn before getting into a PT exam. And that's what I did. I followed all his advice, went for the exam, I followed his instructions, and yes, I got 8 each, 85 overall in my exam. This test is about learning some good tricks as well, which I think he really helped me. And yeah, today I'm really happy and I'm really glad that I got this score.